The never-before-seen window into Osama bin Laden's hidden world. Tonight, the Pentagon has released 5 videos confiscated from inside that compound in Pakistan nearly 1 week ago. Images of bin Laden watching himself on television. You can see him holding the remote right here. And his beard is gray, and that's key because in this video message to America, taped also just a few months ago, never seen, his beard trimmed and dyed brown, cleaning himself up for the camera. All of this, what one intelligence official today called the single largest collection of senior terrorist materials ever. Martha Raddatz leading the way all week on this starts us off again tonight.
Of the 5 videos confiscated from the bin Laden compound, this one is by far the most compelling. There he sits, the terrorist mastermind, his beard nearly all gray, huddled in an old blanket, a wool cap snug on his head, watching news of himself on television. He switches his satellite TV from channel to channel, starting with Al Jazeera Arabic. When an image pops up showing him with weapons, he motions to the camera operator to zoom in. What he is watching on the television matches a press conference we found in late January 2010. The same period bin Laden released a tape claiming credit for the failed Christmas Day bombing. The tape released today gives another window into bin Laden's surroundings. There is a computer screen to his right, a calculator, and a second TV. This, say officials, was the command and control center for al-Qaeda.
What U.S. authorities are trying to do by releasing this kind of video is make the point that we have a lot of stuff that we took possession of on Sunday, and that makes the other bad guys, other people in the organization, fearful, uncertain, wondering how much more stuff we got.
The other tapes, from which the audio has been removed by U.S. officials because they are deemed to be jihadist propaganda, are mostly outtakes from threatening videos, this one from the fall of last year. In all of them, bin Laden has a black beard. He was covering the gray for his public image.
This is someone who realized that the image that he conveyed was the main value he had to his movement. It was part of his brand.
When he was shot last Sunday, the dye had faded. His beard was all gray again. And for any doubters out there who think bin Laden is not dead, they released some DNA analysis today. And here is the statistic. There is only 1 in 11.8 quadrillion chances that the dead man was not the al-Qaeda leader. David?
That number would appear to say it all, but Martha, is the U.S. hopeful that this motherlode of evidence will also help quell all those questions about whether or not bin Laden is in fact dead?
They certainly are, and coupled with those tapes, that's why they released those tapes as well, saying who else could have shot this video.